So today we're in the Eagle Terrace neighborhood of Canmore. We're on the north side of the valley. We're perched high up on Eagle Terrace to visit my latest listing at Eagles Ridge. We're overlooking Eagle Terrace Park below us, which is a great kids park as well as an unbelievable tobogganing hill at this time of year. Let's go there now and take a look. As you come up the staircase from the main entryway, you enter this open plan living space. This is an end unit townhouse, so you get extra windows on the side that lets in all that south facing light, as well as extra mountain views. The main living space has cherry hardwood floors. We've got a Rundle Rock gas fireplace, and then we've also got access to the deck that is south facing with incredible views of Three Sisters. So you get a real sense of privacy in this living space, looking out onto the treed backyard. The cherry hardwood floors flow through into the dining space as well as the kitchen, and then these high ceilings give a real good sense of airiness and space in this main floor. The kitchen itself has lots of cabinetry, very bright again because we've got the windows behind us here, and then you get some amazing mountain views as you're washing the dishes and cooking a meal. So as we come up the stairs to the second level, I don't know how anybody makes it past this point. The views from those windows behind me are just incredible. But we do have two bedrooms up here, the primary bedroom with the ensuite washroom, and then a second large bedroom with another ensuite, as well as the laundry room. As we come downstairs to the entryway level, we've got the single car garage just off to our left. We've got some beautiful slate tile floors with in-floor heating. And then we move into the third bedroom space. It's got its own ensuite washroom. It's got, again, some beautiful large windows letting in that natural light and access to a second patio. As always, thanks so much for watching this video tour. I hope you enjoyed it. My contact information is below if you have any questions or you need more information about this home. And as always, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.